everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alex here. I want to share a hair tutorial with you guys today. I wanted to share with you guys my 3 favorite buns for the summer. It's summer, you guys, and it's hot, and I like to keep the hair off of my neck because I am sweaty boots, okay? Us the girls, you guys already know. Tell me in the comments below, like, does this summer not kill you? Like, under boob sweat, like everything, it's a mess. But I wanted to share with you guys how I do my buns for the summer. These are my 3 favorite buns, and I want to jump right into this video and share them with you guys. If you have not subscribed already to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's get on to this tutorial. So the first one I want to share with you guys is called a fan bun, or what I like to call a fan bun. So I like to go ahead and start off with a ponytail for this look. I always start off with a ponytail for this look. It's super easy, it's really quick. What you're going to do is you're going to twirl the hair towards your face just a little bit, and then you're going to push it up and pin it in place in the back. That's it. This is so easy. It's really easy to do, you guys. There's a second way to do it, which is a really lazy way in my opinion. You basically just push all the hair back in a ponytail and turn it over and push it up. That's it. Pin it in the back and you're done. So the second style is really easy. I call it my mini crown. So it's basically 3 or 4 braids that you want to use to achieve this look. I'm going to be using 4 braids and a couple of tools here and there to get this look started. So first we're going to start with a ponytail per usual. It's really easy to do that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to spritz your hair with some water, and the actual styling cream that I'm going to be using is by Creme of Nature. It's from their Pure Honey line, and it's called the Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to place that all over the section that I'm going to use. I'm going to use my DENMAN brush to go ahead and clear that out, and then I'm going to twist down that section. So I'm going to be using 4 sections like I said, and I'm going to go ahead and repeat these steps. Steps are all done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to section off the 4 sides onto 2 sides. And what I'm going to do with those, I'm going to twist those together, and then I'm going to fluff at the root, push up, and pin. The next side I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to puff up at the root and pin, and then with the remaining portion of the hair I'm going to find a way to twist that around to cover any openings and pin everything down. And once that's all done, you have a really nice sleek 3 crown bun. So the last bun I like to call my royal mini bun. I know everything is like royalty theme. I know, it's my thing. I like it. I think it's really cute. So I'm wearing it right now actually. So this one is really easy as well, but it might not be easy for those of you who cannot flat twist or braid. If you cannot do any of those things, go ahead and just flat twist it, if that makes sense. Like, just not like with 2 twists, like just twist the actual hair on as close as you can, if that makes sense. I hope I'm making sense, because I know styling can be really confusing sometimes. So this was going to be super easy. We're going to start off on dry hair, or hair that has been freshly washed if you want to. Once your hair is all out and ready to go, you can go in and ahead and go ahead and spritz it with some water. Once you've done that, go ahead and part your hair in the center, and you're going to take each side and make an actual part on each side as well. So once you've gone ahead and section off those sections, you're going to be using your edge control. And today I'm going to be using one from Curls. This is their Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to slick my edges down with this, guys. It's not harsh at all. It gets the job done. It keeps my edges in place for this style, and I really like it. It smells really, really good. So once I've slicked down my edges, I'm going to brush them in place, and then I'm going to 2-strand twist this section all the way down to my ears. Once that section has been twisted, I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest of my hair and throw that into a ponytail. After that, I'm going to split that ponytail into 2 sections, and then I'm going to twine one section away from my face, and then the other section I'm going to twine towards my face. Once I take the first section, I'm going to twine that away from my face. I'm going to flip that and pin that, and that's gonna give me a little bit of height. Like, even though the hair is wet, it's usually want to lay down, but once I twist it and pin it, it's going to give me the height that I need. The section I'm going to twist towards my face, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to twist it, pull it over, and pin it, and that's going to give me some height on top of my crown. So it's basically going to look like it's 2 swirls on top of each other. I'm going to pin that away, and then the excess hair I'm just going to swirl in the back and pin it down. The 2 remaining twists on the sides, I'm going to take those and pull them up into the bun and pin those in place as well. You can actually crisscross those in the front if you want to. I crisscross mine in the back because it looks a little bit more clean and polished that way. Now, because this look is so simple, I'm going to go ahead and add some little embellishment. These are some little golden clips or little hair accessories, and they're just going to zhuzh up the look, make it look a little bit more expensive, a little bit more royal. I love it, and it's beautiful once the end result is done. Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing if you have. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite and which one you guys are going to be trying this summer. Do you love buns? Let me know in the comments. Alright, you guys, thanks so much for watching and subscribing if you have, and I will see you in my next video really soon. Bye, guys.